Hey guys, this is Teach Me TV. Back with another video for you all. We hope all is well with you and yours. Go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe button, and don't forget to share this video with a friend. Now today I want to talk about the mistakes many beginners make when starting their online business journey. We don't want you to make the same mistakes we made in the past. We here at Teach Me TV, we want you to start things off the right way the first time. So if you're ready and excited about that, hit the like button now. Let's go. Here are the 5 mistakes we want you to avoid when beginning to promote your business. Tip number 1. Focusing on follower count. Followers are important as far as building brand mindfulness, acquiring leads, and reaching new clients. However, you can't just collect new followers like you collect old-fashioned baseball cards and antique model cars. It's what you do to keep those followers is what matters the most. In the event that you gain supporters yet neglect to collaborate with them, your page won't acquire a lot of traction. Any limited quantity of natural contact you might have at first, when another subscriber joins, won't last without the appropriate nurturing. In the long run, your subscribers won't see your content, assuming you're not setting aside the time and effort to build a relationship with them. In return for that like or follow, they anticipate that you as a brand should make their experience on your page beneficial for them. Remember, it's about their experience, not yours. Tip number 2. Posting irrelevant, boring, or salesy content. The content you post for your followers will either make them want more and more or influence you to become mixed up in the web-based media void. Assuming that your content is unrelatable to them, young-worthy, or excessively limited time, your supporters will ignore it, or much worse, unfollow you. The more your potentials look past your content, the more prominent the chances that your content won't make it into their news feeds. As such, on the grounds that you have 1,000 subscribers doesn't mean every one of them 1,000 will see your content. You need to present content they want to see, to get a greater amount of your posts seen by your followers as well as their friends. Make content that illuminates, instructs, engages, or moves. Generally, 80% of your content ought to be non-promotional, with the other 20% held for your business, sales, and exceptional offers. That is my 80-20 rule. I suggest you follow it. Basically, by far most of your content ought to be centered around them, not you. Learn these and other steps all in my free report. Just hit the link below for more information. Tip number 3. Failing to boost content. The possibility that social media platforms are available advertising mediums is old news. You need to pay to reach that audience on a steady and consistent basis. Like the old saying goes, scared money doesn't make any money. While it might acquire a small part of natural reach, even the best content will not get similar traction as the promoted ones. Your supporters may at first see your feed in the moment of liking your page, yet your perceivability will drop over the long run except if you promote. That is just the facts. Tip number 4. Being tone deaf. Always knowing and checking the temperature of the times we are in. The current year has introduced various difficulties as far as the economy, the COVID-19 and other variants emergency, civil rights protest, and political issues. Brands actually should be in tune with and touch on to these real issues we all deal with. Unfortunately, what happens with certain brands is that they're humanly challenged to recent current events. They're conveying similar promoting messages they generally did before, neglecting to represent what's really happening in today's world. The circumstance and phrasing of their messages are withdrawn from what their audience needs to see and feel. Tip number 5. Doing it all on your own. At the point when you initially start a business, you may be taking care of your online media yourself. Assuming you keep attempting to DIY your web-based media, you'll be removing time from different parts of maintaining your business. As a new business owner, you will wear several hats, but you really don't have to. There are resources that will help with all the underlining tasks that come with being an active business owner. That will include helping content and making supported advancements, taking care of any client care issues, organizing and posting content a few times each week, staying aware of recent developments. Here's a resource for you if you may need help with those challenges. Hit the link below. This is just the tip, but I'm sure you knew that already. Don't forget to get your free copy of How to Create Wealth with Social Media. Hit the link below. Sign up, and the book will be delivered straight to your email box. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button for the latest videos, and leave a comment. We will see you on the next video.